The latest addition to our ERP line of self-propelled roll transporters is our roll platform featuring a powered lip to contain a roll for safe transport. This roll transporter is the best solution for transferring rolls from a pallet to a converting machine, or vice versa. The powered lip of the roll platform, which is designed to align with a standard 5-inch pallet, when lowered, provides a level transition for the operator to manually push the roll on or off of the platform. The raise and lower function of the lip is regulated by the operator via an easily accessible control box. Roll platforms are available to handle rolls up to 50 inches in diameter and weighing up to 2,000 pounds. Before using the equipment, the operator should perform a visual inspection of all the electrical cords, lift chain, platform, and powered lip to check for any damage to the equipment from previous usage. If any damage is located, contact a supervisor immediately. To start, pull the red emergency stop button up, then turn the key to the on position, which will illuminate the Candis Indicator. The ergonomic tiller handle is used to steer the roll transporter when the unit is in forward or reverse travel. The thumb control lever on the handle provides the operator with the precise control to travel at variable speeds, enabling safe, controlled movement even in tight operating areas. Prior to proceeding, you should verify that all functions are in proper working order. This includes the lift and lower controls that are located on the top and bottom of the tiller handle. Also located on the tiller handle is a reversing safety collision bumper. If the collision bumper contacts the operator when moving in reverse, the roll transporter will stop and move forward to help prevent injury. You should verify that the up and down functions on the control box are also in proper working order. This controls the orientation of the powered lip. The turtle switch, which is located on the bottom of the tiller handle, permits the unit to travel with the handle in a fully upright position, as well as provide a creep function for precise positioning. Compressing the turtle switch bypasses the motor brake. Otherwise, the motor brake is always engaged when the unit is either not traveling or left unattended. A horn button is also included on the tiller handle. Other features include an onboard battery and an integrated charger, including a coiled cable and a standard 120-volt wall outlet for easy charging. The ERP's compact base frame is only 31.5 inches wide by 57 inches long. The low-profile support legs under the roll platform provide the operator with an extremely maneuverable machine when working in tight or congested production areas. A small recess in the bottom of the platform holds the roll in place until the operator raises the lip to contain the roll for safe transport. Only raise the roll to the minimum height required while transporting it to its destination. The ergonomic offset handle provides a better visual experience for the operator when traveling and approaching pallets or machinery, and allows for a tight turning radius. Another exclusive feature of this product is the 2-speed lowering control. The lowering speed can be infinitely controlled through a 2-stage button stroke. A short stroke results in lowering at a reduced speed, whereas a long stroke results in lowering at full speed. This is critical when fine adjustment is needed to gently place a roll onto converting equipment. In case of an emergency, the red safety stop button can be pressed at any moment to immediately halt the operation of the equipment. It is recommended to raise the lip up prior to picking a roll off converting equipment. The Candis type battery discharge indicator includes an hour meter to easily monitor your battery's status. It is important to keep the hydraulic lip upright until the roll transporter is in position to transfer the roll. When ready, lower the hydraulic lip. Be sure to have a stop block or safety chock to stop the momentum of the roll. While transferring the roll, be sure to stay to the side of the roll and out of its path. Ensure the roll is secured before pulling the roll transporter away. When finished, you should always place your roll transporter in a safe location, lower the powered lip and platform, and turn the unit off prior to walking away. We offer a 30-day trial toward purchase program for first-time buyers at 15% of the purchase price. For more information on our products or to discuss the specifics of your roll handling project, please contact us today.